Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create barcodes right in Excel. Whether you're managing inventory, organizing data, or just want to streamline your workflow, generating barcodes in Excel can save you a ton of time and effort. Stay tuned, and let's get started. Open your Excel spreadsheet and make sure you have your data ready. In the cell where you want the barcode to appear, enter the following formula. B2 represents the cell where the code is, but it can be any cell depending on your data. Hit Enter. To display the barcode correctly, you'll need to change the cell font to a barcode font. One popular option is the Libre Barcode 39 barcode font. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free online and install it on your computer. If you have multiple codes, simply click and drag the fill handle down to fill in the other cells with the barcode formula. And there you have it. A simple, easy way to create barcodes directly in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.